I seek protection with Allah from the Satan the outcast. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear learners, now we are at Afaq English 7 Unit 5, How I Learned Swimming. Here you will see theme, pronunciation, Urdu meaning and translation by Zulfikar Ali Chaudhary at Z Scholars Academia. Theme. This is a personal recount of the writer. He explains through his experience that how he overcame the dreadful fear of aquaphobia. Here, patience of the teacher and being both the parents on one page to nurture their child make good impact on child's behavior. Acumen and expertise of the mentor can lead anyone from failure to success. Step-by-step teaching technique helps overcoming the fear of any failure. It makes impossible achievements a success. Strong ambition and perseverant hard work lead to success and open a vista of new discoveries in life. Objectives. Here cause is shown in red, effect or result in blue. Some literary, grammatical and phonetic terms are explained here. Cause and effect. It is a relationship between events or things, where one is cause, the other is effect or result. This is a combination of action and reaction. Examples. Number 1. We received 7 inches of rain in 4 hours. The underpass was flooded. Number 2. Tsunami happened when tectonic plates shift. Problem consonants. When a phoneme is replaced with another phoneme, that is called phoneme difficulty. And when some sound of phoneme is confused, that is called sound difficulty. For example, Pakistani learners pronounce wine as wine, and in this way they confuse W with V. V is actually quite simple to pronounce. With F, you do not use your voice, but with V, you do use your voice. Try saying fast and then fast. The teeth remain in the same position for both the words. What is specific adjective? Adjective having a special application, bearing or reference, specifying explicit or definite to state one's specific purpose. Some examples include small, large, square, round, poor, wealthy, and slow. Age adjectives denotes specific ages in numbers as well as general ages. Examples are old, young, new, 5-year-old, and color adjectives are exactly what they sound like. They are adjectives that indicate color. Example: he is 5 years old. You bought a yellow car. Adverbs. An adverb is a word used to modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. Good use of adverbs will strengthen your writing and makes you sound like you are worth listening to. Written words should paint a picture in the reader's mind, and adverbs help make that happen. Number 1. Adverb modifying verb. The adverb is in bold and the verb in italics. The older orangutan swiftly kicked the annoying youngster. Number 2. Adverb modifying adjective. His views are diametrically opposed to mine. Number 3. Adverb modifying other adverb. She arrived for the meeting unexpectedly early. Here, the lowest line, orangutan with pronunciation meaning nasnas or insan numa bandar. Something new can be quirky experience. One of the toughest things I ever had to do was learning how to swim. One main reason that I could not ever choose swimming before was aquaphobia, fear of water. Once I fell into a lake mistakenly when we had a picnic there. I was saved by the rescue team, but the fear of water got on my nerves as I grew older. My father took this issue seriously and planned with my mother to make me get rid of this angst. तर्जमा: कुछ नया सीखना अनोखा तजर्बा है। सबसे मुश्किल तरीन चीज जो मुझे कभी करना पड़ी वो तैराकी थी। असल वजह पानी का खौफ था, जिसकी बिना पर मैं पहले कभी तैराकी को मुंतखब न कर सका। एक दफा जब हम पिकनिक मना रहे थे, मैं गलती से झील में गिर गया। मुझे रेस्क्यू टीम या खलासी निजात दहिंदा जमात ने बचा लिया, लेकिन जो ही मैं बड़ा हुआ पानी का खौफ मेरे आसाब पर सवार हो गया। मेरे वालिद साहब ने इस मसला को बड़ी संजीदगी से लिया और इस एहसास खौफ से मुझे निजात दिलाने के लिए मेरी वालदा के साथ मंसूबा बनाया। He consulted a trained swimmer and got me registered at a swimming center to learn swimming in my summer holidays. उसने एक तरबियत याफ्ता तैराक से मशवरा किया और मुझे गर्मियों की छुट्टियों में तैराकी सीखने के लिए तैराकी के एक मरकज में दाखिल करा दिया। Initially, I was reluctant to try, but my father insisted that I experience it at least once. He brought me a colorful swimming costume with a pair of goggles. New condition always made me a bit nervy, and my first swimming lesson was really hideous. The instructor asked me to wear the swimming costume and take a shower. My heartbeat could be heard fluttering high. My peers were also nervous. The instructor divided us into small groups and took us to the swimming pool at once. इब्तिदा में मैं कोशिश से हिचकिचाया, लेकिन मेरे वालिद ने इसरार किया कि मैं कम अज कम एक दफा इसका तजर्बा करूं। वो मेरे लिए एक रंगीन पोशाक, बमा, गॉगल्स, हिफाज़ती चश्मा लेकर आए। नए हालात ने मुझे हमेशा मुतज़र्रिर या खौफज़दा किया। मेरा तैराकी का पहला सबक हकीकतन बहुत करीब या भयानक था। मुअल्लिम ने मुझे तैराकी का लिबास पहनकर नहाने को कहा। मेरे दिल की धड़कन का इज़्तिराब ऊंचा सुनाई दे रहा था। मेरे हम साथी भी परेशान थे। मुअल्लिम ने हमें छोटे ग्रुपों में तकसीम कर दिया और फौरन हमें तैराकी के तालाब की जानिब ले गए। I stood timorously waiting for the instructions. After a couple of minutes, the instructor came over, smiled and introduced himself politely. He had us put on brightly colored water wings to help us stay afloat. He instructed us thoroughly. Aliyan, he called out my name aloud. I turned my face to him. He asked me to put my hands into the water for a couple of minutes. It made me a little bit comfortable. तर्जमा, मैं बददिली या बुज़दिली से हिदायत के इंतजार में खड़ा था। 2 मिनट के बाद मुअल्लिम वहां पर आया, मुस्कुराया और शाइस्तगी से अपना तारुफ करवाया। उसने हमें शौक के पानी वाले पर पहनवाए ताकि वो हमें तैरते रहने में मदद दें। उसने हमें मुकम्मल हिदायत दी। उसने आलियान कहकर ऊंचे से मेरा नाम पुकारा। मैंने अपना रुख उसकी जानिब किया। उसने मुझे अपना हाथ 2 मिनट के लिए पानी में डालने को कहा। उससे मुझे थोड़ा सा सुकून मिला। First he asked me to get into the pool through the stairs. I was very nervous as I stepped down into the water. My body got goosebumps at once. We were told to stay to the side of the pool and shown how to prepare for the breaststroke. One by one, the instructor had us grip the kickboard while he pulled it over the water and we were kicked smoothly. Pretty soon I was off doing this by myself. I was traveling at a fast clip across the short end of the pool. पहले उसने मुझे सीढ़ियों के जरिए तालाब में उतरने को कहा। जो ही मैं पानी में उतरा, मैं घबराया हुआ था। मेरे जिस्म पे रोंगटे खड़े हो गए। हमें तालाब के किनारे खड़े होने को कहा गया और दिखाया गया कि कैसे सीने के साथ ठोकर लगाई जाती है। मुअल्लिम ने हमें एक एक को ठोकर वाला तख्ता पकड़ना सिखाया। जब उसने उसे पानी पर खींचा, हम आराम से पानी में फेंक दिए गए। जल्द ही मैं खुद से ये करने लग गया। मैं तेज रफ्तारी से तालाब के मुख्तसर इख्तिताम की जानिब सफर कर रहा था। I was much excited. Within a week, I was swimming in the water as a butterfly with my eyes closed. After a few more weeks of training, when I seemed to make fixed on with my legs. He taught me the arm strokes. Things were not quite that easy for me, but my instructor was very patient. After a couple of days, I was feeling thrilled as I was touching the water waves. I was flying as a shelling across the water. I was into another world of enjoyment and fun. Here shelling means a light, long, narrow racing boat. मैं बहुत पुरजोश था। मैं अपनी बंद आंखों के साथ तितली की तरह पानी में तैर रहा था। तरबियत के मजीद चंद हफ्तों बाद जब मैं दिखाई देने लगा कि मैं अपने पांव पर मजबूत हो गया हूं, तो उसने मुझे हाथ मारने सिखाया। मेरे लिए चीजें इतनी आसान न थी, लेकिन मेरा मौलम बहुत साबित था। 2 दिन बाद मैं जो ही पानी की लहरों को छूता, मैं अपने आप को पुरजोश महसूस करता। मैं पानी में तेज रफ्तारी में मुकाबला करने वाली कश्ती की तरह उड़ रहा था। मैं कैफ और लज़्ज़त की एक दूसरी दुनिया में था। Learning to swim was like a nightmare for me, but in the end, my diligence paid off. Not only had I learned how to swim, but also to repress my fear of water. I had overcome my fear of water, and I could swim as much as I wanted. Now, I am a swimming champion at national level. At this point in time, I can say that nothing is impossible if one has strong ambition in life. As said by Henry Ford, one of the greatest discoveries a man makes, one of his great surprises, is to find he can do what he was afraid he couldn't do. तर्जमा, तैराकी सीखना मेरे लिए एक डरावना ख्वाब था, लेकिन आखिरकार मेहनत रंग लाई। न सिर्फ मैंने तैरना सीखा, बल्कि पानी के खौफ को भी ज़ेर कर लिया। मैंने अपने पानी के खौफ पर काबू पा लिया और मैं जितना चाहता तैर सकता था। अब मैं कौमी सतह का चैंपियन हूं। इस वक्त मैं ये कह सकता हूं कि अगर आरज़ू या तमन्ना मजबूत है तो कुछ नामुमकिन नहीं। जैसा कि हेनरी फोर्ड ने कहा था, इंसान अपनी इंतहा की हैरानगी में जो सबसे बड़ी दरियाफ्त पाता है वो ये कि वो कुछ पा लेता है जिसके बारे में उसे ना पा सकने का खौफ